Hi everyone, my name is Martino Turcato and I'm the product manager of OneEdge. OneEdge is the award-winning module-integrated software and services, which allow to simplify the design and deployment and the management of an IoT solution, reducing time to market and total cost of ownership. OneEdge is the realization of the first mile vision. But what is the first mile? In the world of internet connectivity, bridging the last mile usually means linking a cable from the curb to the customer premises, making a final connection to send data and contents from the central server to the edge. In the world of IoT, that logic must be reversed. IoT starts with the edge and the data generated at the edge. There is little value unless those data can be consumed by an enterprise system, and usually getting a device to talk to that system is the hardest thing. This is the challenge we have taken on at Telit, helping companies crossing the first mile, simplifying remote management, connectivity management, data collection, and delivery to the enterprise applications in an efficient and meaningful way. In the diagram, we can see the different technology areas that the solution is comprised of. The edge hardware, where sensors, actuators, and devices take advantage of networking capabilities of a wireless module or a gateway. Data are then exchanged over a globally available cellular connection with a middleware platform that provides also device management, connectivity management functions, and the connectors to the enterprise system. This diagram summarizes the 5 pillars of OneEdge, but it's also a good and comprehensive framework of the aspects involved in the design of an end-to-end solution based on cellular technologies. These 5 technology areas are device management, which relates to installation and configuration, remote management and monitoring, troubleshooting, and software update services. Edge logic, which includes functions and tools to program the behavior of the device, manage sensors and peripherals, implement the communication with the server, and automate or simplify essential tasks like cellular connection management. Security is related to end-to-end encryption from device to cloud. But another important aspect in OneEdge is pre-provisioning and personalization at manufacturing time of the hardware, which allow to simplify initial installation and onboarding without exposing security assets and avoiding manual configuration of devices and IT systems. Cellular connectivity management includes the integrated SIM and the connectivity management service on the portal. And enterprise integration is comprised of the tools needed to facilitate the integration with enterprise systems and business processes of the customer. I want to give you now a quick overview of some of the services in OneEdge. What you're seeing on the screen is the App Center on the IoT portal, which brings together various apps that provide specific services. You can see here, for example, the DM app, which has been designed to provide an intuitive and easy-to-use interface to manage Lightweight M2M devices. Lightweight M2M is a standard protocol from Open Mobile Alliance that is powering our products, and it's a great one, especially for embedded and low-power devices. It is very efficient and allows to implement advanced device management functions and also to manage application data, since it has an extensible object model. In this page, we can see a summary of a demo deployment, with devices deployed around the globe. The widgets on the top are summarizing the main information: active devices, device models, firmware version, and other parameters like the battery level, the network coverage, the operator in use, or the location. You can select the device from a map, or you can go and filter out from a list. If you click on the device, you go for a deep dive and check the details of all the parameters and historical data. You can also send the remote AT commands. And on the analytics section, you can gain some insight into the deployment and see, for example, how the cellular connectivity and coverage is performing, depending on the region or the operator. Let's go now to another app, the Easy Photo. From this app, you can easily create and run photo campaign on your deployed devices. To create a campaign, you just need to select the device model, filter from a list those devices that are relevant to your campaign, the target firmware version, provide some additional details, and then you can start the campaign immediately or schedule for later. You can monitor the status of your campaigns from here and see when they are completed. Finally, let's go to the management portal. This is kind of developer or advanced user view. It's too big for a quick overview, but basically from here you can get access to most advanced features. Go, for example, to a thing, and get access to all the detailed information and available actions. For example, we can go to the Lightweight and TWEM section, go to the object browser, and interact directly with the objects and the resources in the device. From here also, you can define remote management campaigns, create triggers that are event-driven functions described as a block diagram flow, and many other things. You can also go to the connectivity section, from where you can monitor the SIMs and the data plans, the usage, statistics, alarms, and more.